Hi guys, I'm Daniel from Euroquip, Australia and New Zealand's exclusive suppliers of food service equipment. We're proud to be here today at Ronald McDonald House with Euroquip, providing lunch for the parents and for the kids. We've brought our 10-foot container. As you can see, we've got a great menu today. And we're also doing gelato for the children and the parents, so please come and join us at Euroquip and Ronald McDonald House.
Hey, I'm Matt from Ronald McDonald House, Greater Western Sydney. We've had a really special visit today from Euroquip, who've come in and cooked some amazing pizzas for our families here today during our school holiday program. We're really thankful for their support. It's an amazing thing to be able to offer our families during a really tough time. And the pizzas were fantastic, obviously, as well. Thank you, Euroquip. We really appreciate your support.